Hey everyone, welcome back to 99 Bitcoins. In this video, I want to share with you guys what Bonk is doing as we've seen a very bullish chart signal emerge. And if we're looking at a recovery here as we date back to pretty much the entire month, the last 30 days has been flat. But over the last 365 days, Bonk is actually down into the red slightly. So over the last year, kind of underperforming a lot of the cryptos, down 6.6%. But as we did see a huge month of November of last year, Bonk was able to kind of repeat that surge back in July, where we've seen a nice little tick up with all the emergence of Bonk.fun. I want to share with you guys what's actually happening right now because this could be a low point for Bonk moving forward, okay? So for those of you that are new here, hit that like button, please subscribe, join the channel, and let's talk some crypto, okay? So we will look at the chart, but first I want to share with you guys a project currently in their pre-sale. This is Pepe Note, okay? A big believer in Pepe, a play off of the narrative. This is one where you can mine to earn within this meme coin, okay? And just right now, if you click this right here, you can either buy with card or with crypto, Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and or Base Wallet. And if you don't have a Best Wallet, there will be a link in the description to sign up for one of those on the Google Play and or the App Store for iOS. But right now, one Pepe Note token is at a 0.00108 price level, okay? And as this countdown does continue, this will go up in price. So if you want to get into these pre-sales, please do so at your own discretion, not financial advice. Some of them do well, some of them don't. Me personally, I treat them like lottery tickets and just hoping to hit on a few of them that do end up kind of taking off. And right now you could see Pepe Note, over 3,600 followers right now. So I do suggest following them on X if you are going to buy in this pre-sale. That way you can stay up to date with updates as we get closer to launch, okay? So that's what we have going on with that. They have raised over $1.6 million in this pre-sale, and also that CoinSalt audit has been performed. So if you have frequently asked questions and anything that you do want to get answered, check out the white paper, check out the FAQs, and if you do want to buy in this pre-sale, the link will be down below in the description, okay? But like I said, Pepe Note is a mine to earn meme coin, okay? This is what we came here to talk about though, all right? You can see Bonk eyeing a recovery as we have a bullish double bottom pattern emerging, okay? So we've shown some signs of life as bulls are trying to defend in a very critical time frame, okay? And as we look at this potential double bottom that has started to form, as you can see right here, basically a W starting to form, what will happen next? And if we look back over the last year or so, basically dating back to February, as we had a very significant fall off after that surge back, like I talked about in November of 2024, Bonk has been on a nice little slow and steady incline, and you can see kind of the periods of volume, okay? And what I mean by that is essentially we've seen the volume kind of correlate within the buys and sells. So when Bonk's volume does pick up, you can see this within that 24-hour volume closing. That's when Bonk has a very significant uptick in buying pressure, okay? And when it's just kind of, hanging out, it's consolidating, it's very low at a low level, that's kind of where the volume is down. So we are starting to see a gradual uptick where the daily closing volume is higher. Kind of most noted why we are seeing a slow and steady incline, that trend line starting to form upwards. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys, okay? I'll never tell you to buy or sell crypto. It's just kind of what I'm doing to share my thoughts because Bonk is one of those that I do have my eyes on right now currently in the market. And if this does, you can see this very slowly starting to, the volume here, very slowly starting to pick up. If we do get a spike like what we're seeing, that's where we could see Bonk experience, 20+% gains in a very short time window. Okay, that's just my 2 cents. You're welcome to do whatever you want to do with your own capital. But as we look into this deeper, the breakdown is that Bonk has defended the support twice, and we are seeing that double bottom start to emerge as we look to reclaim the point of control. Now, if we do break above what we've seen here, this could support a very strong rally toward some highs. But as we look into it trading below that point of control, we still see that the structure is developing. So it's TA. You can kind of manipulate it whichever way you want to make it. And that's kind of where, unless we get that third kind of upswing, that third indicator within the structure forming, I just think that we have not hit that confirmation point, but we could be just before that confirmation point. So if you are looking to add Bonk to your portfolio, that's something that I would use personally if I'm going to be talking about my own holdings. Okay, so whales, they kind of have bet on this as well, as we've seen 80 billion tokens starting to be accumulated, and that is where we have a signal of confidence that could also fuel that rebound. Now, within this, we have seen 2 failed breakout attempts. And as we look into this chart, this is where we look at that double bottom forming and a breakout above this value area high, the VAH, you can see right here on your screen. And that is sitting just below the 403 price level. That's something that could unlock a rally, as we could see, potentially getting back above the 403 into the 403.5, 38, and even 404. Okay, so that's kind of that analysis. Leave a comment down below. Do you agree with this opinion on Bonk? I think it's very much correlated within the volume. So if you do see the volume for Bonk increase, that's when you can kind of start getting geared up, as we may be making another move, as long as the macro in the broader crypto market does support that thesis. Okay, so the double bottom is still in play. I think that when we look into these cryptos that have broke out from a descending triangle, you could see a very strong uptick, even 30, 40, even 50%. So what we have to expect coming for the price action is that we are in a very much a make or break point. If the bulls reclaim the point of control, the double bottom will continue, and that's where we will take off from there. And if we do break above that zone, that's where we could see even a stronger rally, where we could hit some of the session highs and also the higher time frame resistances that we have alluded to on the chart that do sit at around the 403, 403.5 and beyond. Okay, so that's what I got for you guys. Leave a comment down below. Do you agree with this? And what are you doing with your Bonk right now? I want to know down below in the comments. Thank you all for tuning in. Also, if you have not checked out Pepe Note, currently in their pre-sale, that link will be in the description, as well as a Best Wallet sign-up link. Okay, so enjoy it. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you all very soon.